I've got this nice dead stump here. It's still solid. It's probably about 12 inches in diameter, and we're going to give it a go, see what this is like. So here we go. It doesn't feel like it's straining. I can't hear the engine actually straining like it's cutting. So as soon as we go through it, it's just stopping me because it's a very large bar on it. It's just stopping the dust nicely, so. Yeah, I went through that quite nicely considering this is quite seasoned. You'll probably see it at the top of the cut below. So yeah, that's the 190, pushing it to probably its most it could do sensibly. You could probably get through bigger stuff by the feel of that as it was cutting.